BMW jumped into the metaverse with some really high-tech stuff. Let's take a look. The metaverse replicates our physical world, the one we live in now. This world filled with cars, buildings, cities, states, and countries. What if you could replicate entire countries and everything that comes with them, including all their physical possessions, and just clone everything into a new digital world? What if we could create a digital twin of our entire universe? And in this new 3D universe, we would have at our fingers everything that we have in our real world. In this digital universe, we can manipulate anything very easily in real time to simulate real-life situations. And that would save us hours, days, or even years of work. And what if we could do it now? We can. Big companies like Meta, Microsoft, IBM, and even BMW are jumping into the metaverse to explore new collaborations, simulations, and AI to bring us all closer and develop a new wave of innovation. BMW has even built 3D factories in the metaverse to help them manufacture their cars. Right now, they can manufacture an entire car in less than a minute. With these continuing innovations coming in the 3D metaverse, we'll be able to continue to save time and improve our lives. By utilizing the power of the cloud, we're able to break through previous boundaries that held us back, and we can improve and greatly automate most tasks. We are giving superpowers to our workers, superpowers where we can collaborate across the globe in this new digital virtual space. And the time is now to continue to develop and work within this alternate digital universe. So open up your metaverse of choice and jump in. If you've enjoyed this podcast, if it's made you think, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, we'll see you next time on Shine 365.